Good day, and welcome to the channel, Understanding Systemic Police Corruption. My name is Samuel Clark, and today's discussion will be police whistleblowers. Now, before I start, I want everyone to make certain that they are subscribed. People have reported being unsubscribed, and at least one person reports being unsubscribed twice. So make certain that you subscribe and hit the bell so you get all the notifications. You would not want to miss the important information that will be presented here. In law enforcement, there shouldn't be anyone called a whistleblower. In the police department, every officer is duty bound to tell the whole truth all the time. I have worked in fast food industry, and I was not sworn in. I got my uniform, and I was assigned to the fry station. That was it. If I report seeing fries that fell on the floor and then were put into the deep fryer and sold to customers, I report that, well, I'm a whistleblower. Because at the fast food restaurant, I was not sworn in. But in the police department, I put on a uniform, I was sworn in. And in addition, I have arrest powers and also the power to use deadly force on another human being. That's completely different than working the fast food fry station. Okay, just imagine you've been arrested for a crime and you appear in court. The arresting officer takes the stand, and being sworn in asks the question, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? And the officer says, well, normally they say, I do. But they may as well say, I'm going to tell the partial truth. I'm going to tell the truth if it doesn't harm the reputation of the police department, if it doesn't make my supervisors look bad, if it doesn't harm another police officer. Other than that, I'm going to twist the truth so far it's going to be unrecognizable. You don't hear the police say that. You hear them say, yeah, I do. I swear to tell the whole truth. But they may as well say, hey, I'm going to just tell the partial truth. Because that's what you get. Every single day. Happens every single day. All the time. Yeah, I saw the defendant drop the drugs, and then he tried to put his feet on them. Well, perhaps those drugs were planted. That's not going to be said. No officer involved in that incident, if those drugs were planted, is going to say they were planted. They're going to say something else. Oh, I didn't see it. I was looking the other way. Whatever. That's the reality. It happens all the time. And there's documents about that. As a matter of fact, in Chicago, there is a list by the county prosecutor, district attorney, of officers who can't testify in court because their credibility is shot. is a police officer. Can't testify in court. So, I mean, this is not blockchain technology. If a police officer who tells the truth is labeled a whistleblower, coming from an organization that's supposed to be all about the truth, that means that the truth is pretty rare. If a person's a whistleblower, the truth is supposed to be every day, 24/7. But here's an officer that's labeled a whistleblower. What the hell is that in law enforcement? So in order to have a whistleblower telling the truth, it means lying is the norm. Lying is the norm. It's not difficult. Otherwise, there wouldn't be any such thing as a whistleblower. But I guess with private prisons, those companies have to have bodies, fodder for the machine. So that's it for today. But next, I'm going to discuss how whistleblowers, these rare truth tellers, are treated by the truthful police departments. Subscribe, double subscribe, check, share, and like, because you're not going to get this information anywhere else. And they're trying to unsubscribe people already, and the channel's new. Hey, have a good one. Stay safe.